Present simple questions. Questions in the present simple with be are formed by swapping the verb and subject. For other verbs, the auxiliary verb do or does must be added before the subject. Questions with be in the present simple. To form questions in the present simple using be, reverse the order of the subject and the verb.
You are Canadian.
In a statement, the subject comes before the verb.
Are you Canadian?
In a question, the verb moves to the start of the sentence. The subject comes after the verb. How to form.
Am I Canadian? Is he, she, it Canadian? Are you, we, they Canadian?
Further examples.
Am I on time? Is he your brother? Where are we?
Question words can be used before the verb to form open questions.
Am I on the list? Is it time to leave? Are they friendly?
Questions with do and does. For questions with verbs other than be, start the question with do or does. Don't swap the subject and the main verb.
You work in an office. Do you work in an office?
Add do to questions with they, you, we, and they.
She works in a school. Does she work in a school?
Add does to questions with he, she, and it. The main verb goes in its base form. How to form.
Do. I. You. We. They. Work in an office? Does. He. She. It. Work in an office?
The verb never takes an s or es when you ask a question. Further examples.
Do they live in Paris? Does Tom get up at 6 a.m.? Do you usually finish work at 4 p.m.? When does the party start?
Question words can be used before do or does to form open questions. Common mistakes. Forming present simple questions. Never add s or es to the base form of the verb when asking a question, even in the third person singular, he, she, or it.
Does he finish work on time?
The main verb always goes in its base form in questions.
Does he finish his work on time?
Do not add s or es to the main verb when asking a question.